This is Franklin Square. It was the last square built in Savannah in the early 20th century. But a lot of the buildings on this square, things you see, were built before the square ever was, before the ward was built. This was the outskirts of town in the colonial period. And in the middle of it, you can see a monument of the Haitian soldiers, the Haitian reserve troops who covered our escape when we failed to take Savannah back from the British in the Revolutionary War. Probably the oldest building on this square is the First African Baptist Church. It used to be an Anglican church, but after the Revolution it was given to a congregation of slaves, and it later became a hub of the Underground Railroad. There are secret doors and removable slats underneath certain pews where people could be hidden in cavities away from the authorities when they were making their way up to the north in freedom. And today there are cultural heritage tours that go through the church from time to time. It's no longer functional as a church, but people on those tours sometimes report hearing the sound of hymnals sung by beautiful voices all throughout the church. And when they ask the tour guide who is playing on the PA system, they're told there is no PA system, because what they're hearing is the voices of the long dead choir that used to rehearse there and perform there every Sunday.